If your body still looks narrow, no matter how hard you train, here's the truth nobody tells you. Your arms aren't the problem. Your chest isn't the problem. You're training the wrong muscles completely. The V-taper, that wide, athletic shape where your shoulders taper down to a lean waist, doesn't come from being big. It comes from three things working together, and most guys only ever train one of them. The good news? You can build all three at home. No gym, no equipment. And honestly, the lazy way works better than what most people are doing. Let me show you. First, understand what you're actually building. A V-taper is a ratio. It's the difference between the width of your shoulders and the width of your waist. Wide shoulders, narrow waist. That's the V. Here's why this matters. You don't need to be huge. You need to be shaped correctly. Two men can weigh exactly the same. One looks blocky and average, the other looks athletic and aesthetic. The difference isn't size, it's proportion. Picture two guys walking into a room in the same t-shirt. The one with the V-taper looks stronger instantly, even if he weighs less. That's the power of proportion. So forget getting bigger, we're going to change your shape. 3 parts. Part 1, your shoulders, specifically the sides of your shoulders, the side delts. This is the mistake almost everyone makes. They train the front of their shoulders, pressing, push-ups, and ignore the sides. But it's the side delts that create width. They're the caps that make your shoulders look wide from the front. Wide shoulders make everything below them look smaller. Build these and your waist looks narrower without touching it. At home, no equipment? Here's how. Pike push-ups. Get into a downward dog position, hips high, and press your head toward the floor. This hits your shoulders hard using just your body weight. And lateral raises. You don't need dumbbells. Fill 2 water bottles, grab a backpack, use resistance bands. Raise your arms out to the sides, up to shoulder height, slow and controlled. This is the movement for width. Do these and you're building the top of the V. Part 2, your lats, the wings. Your lats are the muscles on the sides of your back that flare outward. When they're developed, they create width from behind and complete the V from every angle. Here's the #1 mistake. Most guys pull with their arms. They do pull-ups and feel it only in their biceps. That means your lats aren't doing the work. The fix? One cue that changes everything. Drive your elbows down toward your back pockets. Don't think about pulling up with your arms. Think about pulling your elbows down and back. That's what activates your lats. At home, pull-ups if you have a bar. Can't do one yet? Negatives. Jump to the top, lower yourself as slowly as possible. 5 seconds down. That builds the strength. No bar at all? Door frame rows or towel rows under a sturdy table. Grab, lean back, pull your chest up, elbows down and back. This is what builds the flare. This is your width from behind. Part 3, your waist, and this is where most people sabotage themselves. Here's the counterintuitive truth. To get a smaller waist, you don't train your waist harder, you train it less, directly at least. Most guys do heavy-weighted side bends thinking they're carving their waist. They're doing the opposite. Heavy oblique work thickens the sides of your waist, making it wider. You're literally destroying your own V-taper. Your waist gets smaller 2 ways. First, get leaner. A slight calorie deficit, higher protein, and walking, around 10,000 steps a day. As body fat drops, your waist tightens. Second, train your deep core, not your obliques. Planks, hollow body holds, hanging knee raises if you have a bar. These tighten your midsection without thickening it. Stay lean, train the deep core, skip the heavy side bends. Your waist shrinks, your shoulders grow, and the V appears automatically. So here's the lazy system that actually works. 2 or 3 short sessions a week. Pike push-ups and lateral raises for the shoulders. Pull-ups, negatives, or rows for the lats. Elbows down, always. Planks and knee raises for the core. Add a little each week. 1 more rep, 1 more second. That's progressive overload, and it's the only thing that makes any of this work. Eat enough protein. Walk daily. Stay slightly lean. That's it. No gym, no fancy equipment. Just the right muscles trained the right way. The V-taper isn't complicated. It's just rarely trained correctly. You don't need to get bigger. You need wider shoulders, developed lats, and a lean waist. 3 parts. That's the whole formula. Be honest in the comments. Which part have you been neglecting? Your shoulders, your back, or your waist? Drop it below. And if this helped, hit that like button. It genuinely helps the channel. I'll see you in the next one.